Good afternoon, everybody. Big day today with the United States Supreme Court ruling against Roe v. Wade and Casey v. Planned Parenthood. Marianne Goodland, who is our chief legislative correspondent. Marianne, what does this ruling say and what does it mean for Colorado?
First of all, the Supreme Court's ruling says that the U.S. Constitution does not confer a right to an abortion. And what it now becomes an issue for the states to decide. In Colorado, it means virtually no change whatsoever, because back in during this last legislative session, Democrats passed a bill, the Reproductive Health Equity Act, that affirmed the right to an abortion and any other forms of contraception and family planning, basically, in state law. So right now, there's virtually no change whatsoever in the right to an abortion in Colorado. A person who wanted an abortion today or wanted an abortion tomorrow, there's no reason that they can't still get one. If you're in some of the other states surrounding Colorado, it's a very different story.
Talk to us just really briefly about those other states. In a state like Arizona, for example, where there are, when the laws are more restrictive when it comes to an abortion, what does that mean? Do we expect folks from other states to come to Colorado and do the procedure here?
Absolutely, and it's already happening. Where the abortion clinics in Colorado are already reporting more people coming to Colorado for an abortion from some of our surrounding states. That's Texas, Oklahoma, Wyoming has had some issues. Certainly Arizona, Kansas. These are all states that either have abortion bans immediately going into effect with this decision, or have been on hold. And in Texas, for example, they've already passed a very restrictive abortion law. So Colorado becomes something of a sanctuary state for abortions. And one estimate that we have heard is that the abortion clinics in Colorado are going to start seeing as many as 10,000 more abortions in Colorado in the coming year.
And finally, Marianne, just one quick question. What about in terms of the abortion fight in the state? We know, for example, that the anti-abortion activists don't like the law that we just passed here in the state. And so when will we see all this fight, this big battle come to a head?
It's going to continue to come to a head, at least in the next 2 election cycles. We have a group of folks who are trying to get a measure onto the Colorado ballot. It's out for petition signatures right now. It's known as Initiative 56. It would define the murder of a child and ban abortion, but whether that will actually make it to the ballot is kind of a big question. The bigger fight, I think, is going to be in 2024. You will see another effort to limit abortions to no more than 22 weeks. That's coming from the anti-abortion community. On the other side, you have the folks who sponsored the Reproductive Health Equity Act and some of their supporters who are looking to put the right to an abortion on the Colorado Constitution. And that will require a 55% vote of the people in order to be added to our Constitution. That's likely to come in 2024.
Marianne, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. And good luck. I know you're covering the abortion protests this afternoon.